cut to your heart away. Standing by a parking meter, when I got a glimpse of Rita, filling in the ticket in a little white book. In the car, she looks much older, and the bag across her shoulder made her look like a little military man. Every Rita met her maid, and inquired discreetly, when you are free to pick something with me. Took her out, tied to window, had a laugh over dinner, told her I would really like to see her again. Get the bill, Rita paid it, took her home, barely made it, sitting in the sofa with a sister or two. Oh, lovely Rita, met her maid, where would I be without you? Give us a wink and make me think of you.